guys. Okay, we're here with Corinne, who I'm sure you guys know. If you want to introduce yourself, say hi.
Hi, I'm Corinne.
And
This
we're
is
here with
Honey.
the cutest little Honey. So today we are going to completely organize Corinne's closet, and we're going to show you guys a little before and after. But I wanted to ask Corinne, what does she hate most about her closet right now? How does it make her feel in the morning? Is it slowing down her getting ready? We want to hear all about it.
So for me, just don't mind Honey, but for me, getting ready in the morning is terrible. I can't find anything. I can't even fully open my closet door because they have so much stuff on the floor. I tend to just wear the same pair of jeans and same shirt, wherein I have so many new clothes. It's so crazy. It's just awful. It's really awful. There's no sense of organization at all. Nothing makes sense. It's everywhere and terrible.
We're going to change that today, so I'm excited for you guys to see a little before and after. Let's get started.
Woo!
Yay! We're here day 2 with little Honey. So we are starting to make process. We were actually working till 1 a.m. last night, completely redoing Corinne's closet. So for her, we basically just have to utilize the space that she has, and we can definitely do it. She has a lot of really, really cool pieces, so we didn't want to purge too much. So it's important to have a game plan when you begin to organize your closet, and it's totally fine if it changes. So I'm going to talk you guys through a little bit of our game plan as we are in the middle of the process. Dresses are going to go in this cabinet because it's the longest, so obviously then we can maximize the space for maxi dresses. We have shoes on this wall, and for right now all the jeans are in this cabinet, and we want to turn that into a really pretty shoe rack. We have blouses, skirts, and we're working on the jean collection, and we're hoping to fit all the jeans in these built-in shelves right here. It always looks worse before it looks better. If you need advice about denim, Corinne is your go-to girl. I mean, this denim collection is insane. She's also really killing it with the sweatpant and athleisure collection. I mean, this is literally all casual wear. Sweatpants, sweatshirts. And get ready for this coupon bag. You can't, guys, she can't even lift it.
This is the heaviest thing.
Okay, so we finally finished the closet. I'm gonna take you on a little tour. So this is the big walk-in closet. We did skirts, we have shorts, we have slacks, shoes, blouses, tops, everything arranged by category and then color. And then my favorite, we have this amazing designer shoe wall. I mean, these pieces are just to die for. Then we have these really cute selection of bags, coats. Then we come over here. jeans, dresses, more dresses, shoes, activewear we have here. Then we have all the storage up here, so that's a great tip that you can just buy little cute containers and just keep them stored up here. We're actually gonna have them laid out a little bit differently, but we have a bunch of stuff we're gonna be selling on Poshmark. Cleaned out this closet. It looks amazing.
I feel amazing.
Amazing, yeah. We went through some highs, we went through some lows. So I wanted to ask Corinne, how does she feel now that everything has a home, it's organized, it's clean?
I feel so much better. I feel like I can actually get dressed and wear all of my clothes. Before I wasn't wearing any of my clothes. I didn't know where anything was. I didn't know what anything was. I didn't know anything about my own closet. And now I feel like everything is just in its place and I can properly get dressed in the morning and just, it's so much better.
Yeah, she has amazing pieces and now everything has a home. It'll take her 5 seconds to get ready. So now that Corinne is less stressed out about her closet, we have a couple extra minutes to find out some fun facts about Corinne. So are you ready? Okay, we're gonna start.
I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna do a quick hot or not. Wide leg pants or skinny pants?
Skinny.
Skinny. Midi skirt or mini skirt?
Mini.
Tiny frames or oversized frames?
Frames for pictures or bodies?
Sunglasses. Sunglass frames. The tiny, you know, the tiny little.
Yeah, I like oversized.
Oversized.
Still,
Okay.
I'm so old school. All my questions, all my answers are like the old school
It's
answers.
okay. We love it. We love it. And what's a closet fact that no one knows about you?
That I'm actually an introvert.
Well, there you have it. Okay, I'm so happy you guys got to see a before and after of Corinne's closet. And if you would like to book with me, please reach out to CaitlinJaymes.com and all my information's on there. I'm excited to work with you guys. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and tag your friends because they might want to learn something new too about how to organize their closet best. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be sharing my favorite weekly fashion tips and closet organization tips, as well as monthly videos about the closet organizing process, and who knows, there may be more special guests. You might want to stay tuned. Bye!